This year at Trentham, as an RHS partnership garden, we're welcoming visitors in to see the beautiful displays of spring flowering bulbs. We're all being encouraged to get our dose of vitamin G, enjoying the gardens and wildlife that it holds. Whether it's in the woodlands with displays of hellebores, spring primroses, perennial forget-me-nots, and a diverse range of shade-tolerant plants that will give you ideas for your garden at home. Pullman areas are proving very popular, with the bumblebees and even the wild honeybees enjoying the early spring nectar. In the treetops you'll see lots of different woodland songbirds, and carpeting the woodland floor are an array of spring flowering bulbs, including these stunning summer snowflakes. Drifts of marsh marigolds have been planted. And there are thousands of scented narcissus thalia sweeping up through the woodland, filling it with rich fragrance. I hope you enjoy immersing yourself in the garden during this week.